I'll just show you how to stream music from your mobile through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Audi Q5. If you go to your music, click on music, you'll see at the bottom there, if I click that, you've got iPhone and Audi MMI 2027 or whatever number your Audi is. There's a tick next to it. That means anything that any music or audio that plays through this phone, when the system's set up correctly, the sound will come through the speakers in the car. So we'll go back to the music. I'm going to turn Tom Jones down. Then we go over to the system. We'll just go back actually, so there's nothing showing. We're on menu there. We want media. So media is the bottom right hand switch here. Click media. And it's gone on to the jukebox. It's still not going to play like that. It's on a different system. So now you've got copy, functions and source. We want source there in the corner. That source, that instruction in the top right hand corner, corresponds to this right hand button near the rotary control. We then turn the rotary control down. You'll see my phone there. Click my phone. It's now connected. You see there at the bottom, Thunderball, Tom Jones. If I turn this up and then turn this up quickly, that's it. It's a really good sound system in this car. If you like music, you'll enjoy it. Thanks for watching.